Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today, we're doing something very different, and it involves something sharp and cutting edge. Nothing to worry about though. I'm talking about something most people use, razors. Razors have been used since the Bronze Age, but the way they are sold has been changing. And that's why today we're unboxing the brand Estrid. Estrid is a Scandinavian brand that offers a razor subscription service specially designed for women. They want to make self-care even easier for women so that they never run out of supplies like cartridges. And we're about more important things. That can really be a pain. On their site, you can choose the color of razor you want, how often you want to receive products, and you can cancel at any time. And when it comes to a subscription-based business, packaging is super important. I'm excited to see what they came up with. So, when you order from Estrid, this is what arrives. Here we have a nice pink custom printed envelope. This minimalist design is really attractive. The pastel pink with bold embossed lettering of the band logo. This is awesome to protect your boxes during shipping, especially if they have a cool design. It also gives a good place to stick your shipping label on. Now that we open it, we have a mailer box. Oh, and it says, "Mood, leave me alone. Seriously, I've been waiting for this." That's pretty funny. I like the humour of this brand. Oh, and down here, you can see the list of the contents of the package. Let's dig in and see what's inside. Cute. When we open it, there's a message printed here. Always remember, your body is beautiful. It is the most incredible, amazing thing you will ever own, and there isn't any other like it. You're one of a kind. That's so inspiring. Estrid shows that they're all about empowering women, and were smart to use it as part of their branding. The goodies come in this little bag. It reads, "A vegan razor? Is that even a thing?" Oh yes it is. This coffee is on fire. I'm already loving the brand. And inside, we have the cartridges and razor holder package in their own little envelope. And this is even more clever. Check out how nice this razor sleeve is. This is a sleek and elegant razor, I've got to say. Smart, Estrid. I'm impressed. This experience was like a breath of fresh air and reminded me why packaging can be so amazing, even for products as conventional as razors. You can turn it into an amazing experience for your customers by using a well-thought packaging and branding. That was the unboxing experience from Estrid. I really liked it. How about you? Let me know in the comment section below. And as you can see, packaging is something everyone can enjoy and learn from. And that's what I wanted to do today, to bring you a great experience. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more unboxing videos. See you in the next one.